In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a contract in Pandadoc. We'll walk through the full process together, from creating a new document to adding your contract terms, all the way to sending it out for signature. By the end, you'll be able to create a simple professional contract without missing any important steps. First, start by creating your document. In Pandadoc, look for the option to create something new, then choose New Document. From there, select the option that lets you pick a file. This is where you can upload an existing contract template, a PDF, or any base document you want to turn into a signable contract. Once it's uploaded, Pandadoc will open it in the editor so you can customize it. Next, you'll want to add your recipients. These are the people who will receive and sign the contract. In the recipient section, add each person's name and email address. Take a moment to double-check spelling here because any mistake in the email will prevent them from getting the document. If you have multiple parties, add them all now so you can assign fields correctly later. Now let's add your contract terms. On the right-hand side of the editor, you'll see different content blocks. Grab the text block and drag it into your document where you want to add or edit text. This is perfect for inserting clauses, payment terms, timelines, or any details that need to be clearly written out. You can type directly into this block, format the text, and adjust it until it reads exactly how you want. Once your content looks good, it's time to place the fields that your recipients will interact with. From the right panel, drag a signature field onto the document wherever you want someone to sign. Do the same with a date field so that the signing date is captured automatically. You can add multiple signature and date fields if more than one person needs to sign. After the fields are in place, click on each one and assign it to the correct recipient. A small drop-down will appear when you select a field. Choose the right recipient so Pandadoc knows who is responsible for signing or filling out that field. This step is crucial. If a field is unassigned or assigned to the wrong person, it can cause delays or confusion during signing. When everything is set, you're ready to send the contract. Click Review and Send to quickly check your document. If everything looks good, click Continue. Then choose Send Document. Pandadoc will email your recipients with a secure link so they can open, review, and sign the contract online. And that's the full process for building a contract in Pandadoc, from a blank or uploaded file all the way to a ready-to-sign document.